Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and install Vizio 5.1 Soundbar in 2026. So first of all, you need to place the soundbar directly below the TV just like so, and make sure that it is centered and not blocked. Avoid placing it inside the closed cabinets because the sound needs space to travel. Now you need to also position the subwoofer. So you need to place it on the floor, preferably near the TV, but slightly to the side. Just keep it close enough to maintain a strong wireless connection. Now you need to attach the rear speakers to the subwoofer, then place them behind your seating area at ear level or slightly above. So this creates proper surround sound. Now you need to use the HDMI cable and you need to connect it to the ARC port on your TV. This is going to give you the best audio quality and allows the volume control with your TV remote. You can also use optical cable if HDMI ARC isn't available in your case. Now you need to plug in all the components and turn them on. The subwoofer and the rear speakers usually pair automatically, but if they don't pair on its own, you just have to simply press the pair button on the subwoofer. Now you need to use the remote in order to adjust the surround level, the bass level and the sound mode. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.